Hey guys, how's it going? So it's about Monday, 6 a.m. in my hangar at Whiteman Airport, just waiting on my buddy who's flying up in his Bonanza from San Diego. He's picking me up. We're gonna fly up to Northern California to pick up my Tiger, where it's been for its annual inspection for about the past 4 weeks. There's the man, Uber Air.
I don't think we're gonna get lost with all this glass. We got some serious Avionics porn going on in Ali Rez's Bonanza. So I'm going to have him walk through and kind of tell you about what we're looking at here. So
yeah, we start with the backup G5. It's required to remove your vacuum system to have a backup of your glass. So the G5 is the backup, and that's how the G3X is certified. And it also has a backup battery that lasts something like 5 hours, which would exceed the endurance of the airplane, or pretty much. It will run the autopilot also if I lose the G3X. And it has a separate AHAR source, so it works independently of the G3X entirely. G3X Touch, which I got the two screen solution.
we got a 10-inch and a 7-inch.
Correct.
And I'm with the engine monitor here.
With the engine monitor. So this big screen acts as my essentially attitude indicator and PFD entirely. Right now I'm in full screen mode, which gives me a small map, but mainly we've got the full synthetic vision. You can also split the screen and basically get the same what you get on the 7-inch screen. And you can zoom in, you can cycle between charts. We got the VFR chart. We can put on the IFR chart.
And you can easily send primary information to this, right?
Right, yeah. If this went bad, it would swap to this. If this went bad, the engine monitor would swap over here.
It'll do it automatically?
It will do it automatically. If both of these go out for some reason, or we lose the AHARs on that, it'll go to the G5.
So further to the right, we got a...
primary GPS is a Garmin GTN 650, like in Brian's plane, and like in my Tiger.
And this is the GTX 375?
This is the GNX 375, which is an ADS-B out transponder, in and out transponder. It's basically a 345 combined with a WASP GPS. It does not have comm capability. There's the 355 that does, but this box doesn't.
Another piece de resistance.
Oh yeah,
the GFC 500.
GFC 500.
Hard to remember the GTNs, the
GNX, all that stuff.
A lot of G's going on. But this is a GFC 500. And this is a digital autopilot.
Digital attitude-based autopilot works great.
So this baby will fly you down to minimums.
It'll fly you down to minimums on an ILS or any RNAV, any kind of approach.
Traffic Bonanza 7006 November is about 6 miles out and crossover for left traffic for 7 Auburn.
Left to right, take it slow, yeah, baby, come on, do it just right. And side to side, left to right, take it slow, yeah, baby, come on, do it just right. Yeah.
Traffic, runway's clear, 06 November, thanks guys.
Hey guys, so here we are on the ground in beautiful Auburn, California. Lovely landing from Ali Reza here.
Auburn traffic, White Blue Grumman taking runway 25, departing to the south. Auburn traffic, White Blue Grumman just departed runway 25, turn into the south. Auburn.
it's good to have the old bird back. 6 weeks, or how long was it? 5 weeks was a long time to be without the plane. And like I was explaining earlier, it wasn't the time wasn't because I had an extensive annual or anything like that. It was just Gary's schedule was pretty busy, and my schedule was pretty busy as well. So the time when I dropped it off about 5 weeks ago just made the most sense. And then I just left up here, and he finally had some time to get to it last week. So still cruising along 9,500. It's been a really smooth flight. Got less than an hour to go, about 40 minutes. And as predicted, we do have a nice little tailwind. It's getting us about, it's been between 17 to 21 knot tailwind, so that's been nice. Other than that, I got nothing to report. Smooth skies, overcast layers, and we'll be home in about 40 minutes.
Approach Grumman 244 at Romeo 9,500 or beginning of VFR descent shortly with Foxtrot at Whiteman.
Grumman 244 Romeo 7 approach Burbank altimeter 3005.
3005.
Alright, so we've started our descent into Whiteman. Still getting a pretty good tailwind up here. Currently showing 165 knots. Of course, we're descending right now, 500 feet a minute, but we've had a good 20, 30 knot tailwind most of the way.
Whiteman Tower, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo just north of Newhall Pass, landing with Foxtrot.
Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, Whiteman Tower, enter right traffic for runway 30. Report to 118. Traffic opposite direction to the left. I'm just departed over the 118 now.
Pretty good time back from Auburn. Haven't looked down at the time yet, but right around 2 hours, I think. All right, guys, again, thanks for following me along on this trip up to Auburn and back to pick up the Tiger. He's back in action. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It lets me know that you guys actually like these videos. Also the like button as well. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.